Hey you all, Jim at Soldier Farms. I was out here in the shop. Matter of fact, I just wrapped the next installment in our ukulele video, and I was getting ready to start the weekly shop cleaning. But I wanted to share with you, and I'm not sponsored by Got Wood, but I have an excellent box of wood that did not cost me an arm and a leg, that I want to share with you. Alright, so here is our box, and I will go get my knife and we'll get into it. Where are you? Oh, there you go. Right in front of me. You know, somebody comes in here and puts things away, and then I can't find them. Luckily, he doesn't do that very often. I'd never get anything done. So, this is what you get when you buy wood from turningblanks.net. You get a sticker, which is great because we love stickers. Invoice, packing material. And I always save this stuff because people buy things and I have to ship it. And my favorite packing material is the free kind. Oh hey, got a nice ruler. Always need one of these. So I have, this is a figured cherry. Got 3 of those. Actually, yes. Got 3 of those. Somebody needs to clean their shop. This is kiln dried select maple. 2. And this is kiln dried curly maple. Oh, this is a 3rd select. Alright. This is kiln dried select maple. And this is the other kiln dried select. Alright. So we have some nice pieces there. These were the last 4 of these, so I bought them, and then that curly was just sitting there looking at me. And this is a kiln-dried hard maple. It's a small one. I bought that specifically because I had a project in mind for it. This is Fireland Cherry. I've never turned any of that. It'll be a lot of fun. And then wanted a cherry bull blank. I can either do that on the lathe or the CNC, and then I wanted a piece of sycamore so I could try and turn that. I thought it sounded like a lot of fun. So that's what we got. And now I'm going to try and get something done in this shop because we have developed a bit of a mess. Maybe grab my other pieces of wood here. Alrighty. So I have all of those, and then if you, well, you haven't seen it yet, but in an upcoming video, I go through my scrap wood and find everything that would be nice for turning, and I turn it into a bowl blank. all but this guy, and I'm not quite sure what we're doing with that one yet, but it's coming. So I'm Jim. Thank you for tuning in. These shorter videos are leading up to my cataract surgery, so I'm trying to get some content ahead, and then anything that I make on top of that will be a bonus. But I've got surgery coming up in about 9 weeks, and I don't want to not have any content banked so that, you know, I stay on schedule, because I really am trying to grow the channel. If you want to take a look in the channel description, I have some links there, various things that we're into trying to grow our channel and trying to offset some of the expense of projects and all of that stuff, you know, as we continue our YouTube journey and also grow our woodworking business, because eventually substitute teaching will come to an end, and I really love this. So thank you very much. And thank you for watching.